Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to show you a beautiful and simple Mehndi design tutorial. I want you to watch till the end. Could you please check out my channel? My channel's reach seems to be down. Please boost my channel with your support by liking my videos, sharing them with your friends, and trying out my designs. You can help increase my channel's reach. Don't forget to DM me your design pics on Insta. I'll share them on my story.